Hello friends! Watch how I prepare my grandma's rustic dish, homemade village recipe. First things first, let's chop up this onion. Quick tip: if you want to avoid tearing up while chopping onions, try chilling them in the fridge for a bit before cutting. Next up, the onions go right into the pan with a splash of sunflower oil. While the onions are sizzling, drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. Now I'm slicing the potatoes into thin matchsticks. There's something so comforting about preparing a classic dish like this. What are your go-to comfort foods? Now that the potatoes are cut, they dive right into the pan with the onions. Let's get this dish sizzling. I'm going to cover the pan and let the onions and potatoes cook together so they get all nice and tender. Looks like I underestimated the size of my pan. Time for a quick switch to a smaller one. Hey, even chefs have their oops moments. Now it's time to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Let's get this ready for the next step. I whisk the eggs until they are nice and smooth. Time to switch to the green onions. Let's give them a fine chop. I mix the chopped green onions into the eggs. Let's move on to the tomato. I'm cutting it into nice medium-sized chunks for extra flavor. Tomatoes are so versatile. Did you know they are actually fruits, not vegetables? Perfect for adding a burst of freshness to any dish. Next, I add the diced tomatoes with the green onions and eggs. I add some sour cream to the bowl. Salt, a sprinkle of black pepper, a dash of dried herbs for that aromatic touch. Finally, I give everything a good mix until it's well combined. Time to pour this creamy mixture over the sizzling potatoes and onions in the pan. I gently spread the mixture to make sure it covers all the potatoes and onions evenly and forms a nice layer. I put the lid on to let everything cook and come together nicely. Time for a big moment. Flipping the dish with a plate. This is one of Grandma's special tricks. Woohoo! It always works. Now it's time to grate the cheese. I'm spreading the grated cheese on top and adding a sprinkle of fresh herbs to complete the dish. Pop the lid on and let the cheese melt a little for that perfect gooey finish. And here it is, golden, cheesy, and oh so delicious. This rustic dish is just like Grandma used to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty treats. I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more delicious recipes with you.